so excited to have you back in this course. Today we are going to explore phonogram E, which is another vowel. It makes two sounds. One is A and another one is E. In our previous video, we have learned about the sounds of phonogram A. So do not confuse it with the sound of A because the short A sound is A and the short E sound is A. See the difference? Short A sound A and short E sound A. Pat, pet, sat, set. So now that we know phonogram E makes two sounds. A like pet, bed, set, wet, and E like he, me, we, be. And if you want to know where to use which sound, don't forget to check out next video. Thank you. We will meet with another phonogram.